All right, Joe, welcome. Let's go for another session. So, session number 7. Let's drag this down. We need to finish at 86.35. So, let me double check. So, 10 seconds. So, everything is correct. So, let me look for the first opportunity. Okay, let's have a look at GBP USD. The downtrend is not that strong, but we have a dodgy candle here. So let's see what's going to happen. If it's going to continue to push up, or we're going to see a continuation to the downside. So it's sort of a downtrend. Even though it's pumping above the 50 SMA, we are expecting a continuation to the downside. But it might continue up, so am I going to have a look around to see what's going on? Okay. Mm, okay, that's the first candle. Not as strong though. Momentum is very indecisive, so I'm going to pause it here. Look around while we wait. Okay, we have two plays here, so let's try this one first. So we can catch it. Yeah. Right, so we can see that this one is on a downtrend. He's losing momentum, so we're expecting a continuation to the downside. We got some two dodgy candles here. So after this one, the first one, I thought it would have a continuation to the downside, but this green candle is not good. So potentially gonna consolidate a little bit. So the price is where the price once found resistance, support, right there. So now it's pumping up, which is not good for us because we want to go down with the trend. Let me have a look at the other one. He's dumped it. He dumped it. Seems like this one is going to have a continuation to the downside, the first one that I showed you. This one doesn't look like it's going to go down anytime soon. Seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit. Right, let me look around. Okay, we have JPY here. Let's see what's going to happen. So he's reaching the 50 SMA. So let's see if this is going to be the green dodgy candle, first candle, and if it is, we might take a trade on next candle. Or it's pushing down too much, it's not good. So it might go down a little bit more. Yeah, it looks like it. So let's see if it's going to respect this area or break this area and continue to go down. We got an area over here. This is an area where once found support, or resistance consolidation. So hopefully this will be the support. So if you drag this, you can see right there and back here as well. So this is an area of interest. So the moment is The question is this going to consolidate inside this area or just continue to fall? Yeah, it looks like buyers are in control. They are keep pushing the price up, down. Very bearish candles and very weak bullish candles. So you can see the red candles are stronger than the green ones. So that potentially is a sign that the price is not going to continue up. Okay, guys, we got Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin might be our play. So it's sort of in a downtrend. So consolidate a little bit here. So dump consolidation, and then it's reaching the 50 SMA. So we're looking to see a reverse, but the way it's pumping, it doesn't look like it's gonna reverse anytime soon. I thought it would be here in this dodgy candle, but this candle was weak, and then we had a bullish momentum. So there's there was a sign that potentially we're gonna have a continuation to the 50 SMA before it gets rejected. So it looks like it's gonna continue down, but the price is in two minds here. So it might take the next candle if this one doesn't push too much. But it's looking good so far. Oh, it's just pushed too much. It pushed too much. Yeah, it pushed too much. Let's see. This might be a green, the next one might be a red. Because this was a long one. But yes, sellers are pushing. I should have took the trade when the price was there. Let's see if he pulls up a little bit. Ah. Analysis paralysis. That's what happens. So yeah, I missed the opportunity. I missed 1, 2, 3 candles. So let me go for the next one. Okay, we have chain link. Chain link. He was doing lower highs, as you can see right here. And so if the pattern continues, then we're expecting a reverse anytime soon to go down. So we're gonna sell. But as you can see right here, he's breaking above his line. So potentially he might pump up. He might have a continuation. I thought because of this red candle here, I thought the momentum was about to shift and have a continuation to the downside. But it doesn't look like it's gonna slow down because it keeps on going up and up and up. So we might just leave it alone and look for a new opportunity. I missed Bitcoin big time. I missed that dump. But anyway, more opportunities will come. So chain link. Okay, let's have a look. Seems like it's gonna push down now. Yeah, it looks like. So let's see how the next candle is gonna look like. Okay, it's coming back to the zone. So that's a good sign. But it's pulling up at the same time. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, the price is in two minds here. So if If we do this, a rectangle here, we can see that the price consolidates around, roughly around this area, which coincides with this area right here. So it seems like the price is gonna find this area as support, and from here it bounces up. So if that's the case, we're not gonna have a trade to the down a sell trade. So let me look around and see what we can find. Okay, we got Apple here. He's doing lower highs as well. Something like this. There you go, he's dumping already. Apple. Apple is dumping already. So that was the first candle. That was the candle to catch. Let's see if the next one's going to be bearish as this one. Got a long wick, so it might not be as bearish. Yeah, it's nice bearish. Small wick, small candle. So yeah, like I always say, if it's not the first candle, it's the second candle. Maximum 3 candles. So momentum is getting weak over here, but feels like sellers are pushing because we're on a downtrend still. So if sellers keep pushing, we're gonna have a continuation. Let's see if price goes up a little bit. I had the opportunity there. Let's see. And it's also coincided with this local bottom. It might pull up a little bit. Yeah. So this is an area. So it's finding this area. Consolidate. But it's getting rejected. So you might take the next trade, next candle. Let's have a look. Ah, I didn't take that trade. Didn't take that trade. I slept on it. What's wrong with me today? Okay, we got AVAX here. So let's see what's gonna happen. So he's on the uptrend. We can see that price is reaching the 50 SMA. So we are expecting the price to slow down, as you can see right here. It's slowing down. So this might be a dodgy candle, and the next one might be a green candle. So let's see. Nope, end up to be the red one. So it might push down a little bit more before it goes up, if it's going up, of course. So looking for green dodgy candle. Keeps on pushing, so it's not a good sign. And this is a very bearish one. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna hit the 50 SMA and continue to go up, because in the past barely broke below. So we might not have what we're expecting to go up. So let's look around and let's see what's up. Okay, let's try Netflix. Netflix, we're on the first candle. It's not a very strong uptrend. It's not a very strong trend. I mean, it's right in the middle, but we are expecting to do a new high. So you can see this high right here. So this one is this high is higher. So we're expecting this to, go up. So as the time we come to 50 SMA, bounce up. 50, bounce up. So that's why I decided to tune into this one and see what's up. So it might catch the opportunity here. Unless this thing is going to consolidate around here. So this was a bullish one, bearish one, which is not good over here. So that is a sign that potentially we're going to have a consolidation before the price cranks up to the upside. But this is a very bullish one, so I like it. Let's see how the next one's going to look like. It might not be that strong because it is weak. Yeah, seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit. Something like this. And if you look at the past, this was a support area. Looks like it's going to push up. It wants to break out of this zone. So we might go up with it. Or maybe not. It's looking good. So potentially next one is going to be a green one because it keeps on pushing up. Well, now it doesn't look good at all. It was looking good because it was showing strength to go up. But now with this very bearish one, I just want to wait. So let me have a look around. Okay, it's going to break to the downside, I think. Okay, let's have a look at BNB. Let's see what's happening here. So Netflix is still there, consolidating around that area. So we got BNB here. So this might be the first candle. So it was going sort of sideways and then broke below the 50 SMA. So now it's testing the 50 SMA, as you could see. So we are hoping that the price will hit and get rejected. And then from there, have a continuation to the downside. And if that's the case, we're going to play sell positions. And let's see how far it will go. This is a bullish pump. It's supposed to slow down. But we'll see. Okay, sellers are pushing. So that's a good sign. Sellers are pushing. Okay, looks good. Well, they pushed last minute. So yeah, it's very indecisive here. So I might just hold on to this second candle and wait for the third candle. So let's see how this one's going to close. It has to be red and slightly bigger than this one, pushing down, of course. But if it's green, then the price might continue going up. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to go down. So let's look around. Okay, we have little coin here, but the price, it was in 2 months, was doing very small candles, but seems like it's going to crank up to the upside. You're looking to buy here. Okay, this is a nice push. Let's hope that the momentum continues and we can catch an entry. We got the first one, we got a second entry. All right. Okay, we got first trade, I mean, and we got the second trade. So 88.11. Oh, we actually reached the session value. 88.11. So we made 2.73% right there. So we made 2.34 bucks, which I'm very pleased with that. And that's it. So it took me a while. So it took me a while to get this trade, but we got it in the end. We got it in the end. Patience was, so if you look at the time that I showed you the first pair until now, I don't know, probably half an hour, 40 minutes, something like that. I froze on the first few trades, and maybe because I'm tired, because been working today, so and it's late night, so maybe because I'm tired, I froze. I don't know, but yeah, eventually we got in the end, We got the first trade by 8 points and the second trade by 12 points. So 88.11, like I said, we made a 2.73%. And that's it. We can call it a day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a look around and see if we can find any other opportunities. If not, I'm just going to call it quits and leave it for tomorrow. Okay, we have CAD JPY. So let's have a look. Let's see what's going to happen with CAD JPY. JPY. So we can see that it's doing higher lows. So if it follows the pattern, when you reach this level, it should stop and is actually slowing down and can have a continuation to the upside because we are in an uptrend. Okay, this is looking good. So we might take the next candle. So let's have a look how it's going to close. Momentum is not that strong. That's why I didn't place the trade because candle was moving very slow. So it didn't give me confidence to place a trade. So it might consolidate a little bit. We might just call it a day. Call it quits, 2 trades, 2 wins. That's it. That's all we need. Yeah, the momentum is not strong, so it might consolidate before have a continuation. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Yeah, not much. Oh, this was a good opportunity. See over here, came over here. First candle was a red candle. The second candle, boom. This is the type of trade that I like. Yeah, yeah. So you can see it's gonna consolidate a little bit before make a decision to either go up or down. So yeah, I think that's me done. Let's have one last look at currency cryptos, and we out of here. Ooh, looks so messy. It shows Kucoin. Kucoin was the one we trade, right? Yeah. Okay, seems like this one is gonna crank up now. So yeah, not much is happening in stocks. Let me have a look at stocks. So I'm just gonna call it quits. And I'll come back tomorrow. Because this one right here, CAD JPY. Let me show you. CAD JPY is consolidating around here. So it's trading around this area here. So it might take a while for us to see the price cranking up. And if we extend this, you can see that this is in the past was resistance and now is acting as support. It goes all the way back, see? All the way back here. In the past was resistance, support, resistance, support. That's why he's reacting here. And seems like he's not going to have a continuation to the upside. Most likely he's going to have a new trend, which is downtrend. But because it's going to go against our trade we're supposed to buy, we're just going to leave it alone and call it quits. So yeah, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.